Unwrapping the Phrase Gift-Ready, a guide to polished presenting. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic that's perfect for anyone who loves giving gifts just as much as receiving them. We're going to explore the phrase, gift-ready, what it means, when to use it, and why it matters in English conversation. If you're ready to step up your gift-giving game, you're in the right place. Gift-ready is a phrase that you might see on packaging, in stores, or during the holiday rush. But what does it mean? Simply put, when something is gift-ready, it's prepared to be given as a gift immediately, without any extra work needed. This could mean that the item is already wrapped or in a fancy box, with all the bells and whistles to make a great first impression as a present. Being gift-ready isn't just about the packaging. It's about the thought and care put into a gift. When you give something that's gift-ready, it shows that you've gone the extra mile to make sure the gift looks appealing and special. It's a sign of courtesy and attention to detail that can make your gift stand out and be more appreciated by the receiver. You can use the term gift-ready in various scenarios. When shopping, you might ask a store employee if they have gift-ready options for a particular item. If you're selling products, you can advertise them as gift-ready to attract customers looking for hassle-free gift options. During the holidays, you can tell your family or friends that the gifts you've prepared are all gift-ready, which means they don't have to worry about wrapping. Making your gifts gift-ready can be a fun process. Here are some tips. Choose attractive wrapping paper or boxes that suit the occasion. Add ribbons, bows, or custom tags for a personal touch. Consider eco-friendly packaging for a sustainable option. Ensure that the gift is well secured and packaged to avoid any damage. That's a wrap on gift-ready gifts. We hope this video helps you the next time you're looking for the perfect way to present a present. Remember, a gift-ready item is more than just a convenience. It's a gesture that tells someone you care. So, go ahead and make your next gift extra special. Happy gifting, and see you in our next video.